What's going on, guys? My name is Jack. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to do the smooth zoom blur transition. Basically just a quick, simple tutorial walking you guys through it. But if you guys are watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, which is the vast majority of people, believe it or not, I checked my stats, it's like 90% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So I'm Jack. I upload video production themed videos every single day, whether it be showing you guys a cool method of how you can make money making videos, or how you can actually learn a new effect, or showing you how to film, or basically whatever I could think of to teach you guys that day. Overall, a video production themed channel. Without further ado, let's jump into another video. Okay guys, so go ahead and load up your video editor, right? So I'm using Premiere Pro, but this effect can really be done on absolutely any video editor. Just kind of follow along the basic kind of template idea that I'm pretty much going to be showing off. The blueprint, that's a better word. But the way you would actually go about beginning this zoom blur effect, right? Zoom blur transition rather. You want to go ahead and actually create an adjustment layer, right? So in Premiere, we're just going to go new adjustment layer. Boom. Go ahead and find the adjustment layer wherever the hell it's at. It's probably going to be down here somewhere. Adjustment layer. There we go. Boom. Go ahead and drag that one on. Now we want to duplicate it. All right. So just go ahead and duplicate that. Now once you got two, you want to trim one of them down to start at the very beginning of the new clip, right? So I probably should have talked about this first, actually. Here's obviously my two clips. You want to go ahead and line your clips up so they basically, it plays the first clip and then it just switches to the next clip. And this second clip is so funny, man, literally. This is from a club I filmed on New Year's Eve, right? So like literally 22 days ago. And I didn't even realize it at the time, but when I just started recording, right, I caught this guy slapping his girl, slapping this dude who's kissing his girl, right? They're clearly having like some New Year's kiss or some shit, and this guy just slaps him. And look at this, he turns around and just looks directly at me, and then he then thought it was me. I didn't even realize that the dude slapped him, and then I got home after and actually looked through the footage and realized that this dude fucking slapped him, and then he just proceeded to turn around and think it was me, which I probably would have thought the same shit. I was just filming him and he literally just caught a slap to the face. That's so funny, man, I can't even lie. But all right, anyways, you want to go ahead and trim down your first adjustment layer so it starts when the second clip will transition in. Then go ahead and with this particular adjustment layer, this doesn't really matter where you put it, to be fair, at all, but yeah, oh well, to be honest, all right? So you want to go ahead and get your two adjustment layers, all right? Then go ahead and actually go to your effects and get the replicate effect, boom. Go ahead and drag the replicate effect over to the bottom adjustment layer and replicate it to 3 times, right? So there's clearly 3 sets, right? Boom. Looks decent. Looks definitely decent. Now, the next thing you're actually going to want to do is start kind of getting rid of all these lines. That looks really harsh, right? That clearly looks like it's been replicated 9 times, right? There's 9 different versions of the screen, but you want to go ahead and actually get the mirror effect. Boom. Go ahead and drag that onto the bottom adjustment layer as well. Go down here and let's start off with like a 90, right? Boom. A 90. And just go ahead and adjust this so you kind of get rid of that line right there. You see that? So it's kind of just like a reflection instead of there being like a weird line right there. Then go ahead and drag another mirror effect on, and you're gonna wanna go 180, right? And I'm sure you're probably understanding what I'm doing now. Obviously, oh, I need to pull that the other way. And I'm basically just ironing out all these little lines, right? So that right there is a line. Let's go ahead and just iron that out. Oh, see, you do have to be kind of precise with it, obviously. And you know what I mean? Feel free to take a little bit more time than I'm gonna take, but I'm just trying to do this for a tutorial, right? To go kind of quick. Then you're probably gonna wanna go, what, 360? Oh, shit, 360? Oh no, of course you can't do 360, minus 90. Boom, go ahead and drag that up. And just go ahead and iron out that line right there. I'm sure you see it. I need to bring this over, make this bigger right here, to be honest. Boom. Then we're just gonna go ahead and drag a final mirror on there, and the final mirror will be the minus 180. And let's see where that brings us to. Has that worked? I believe that line is already gone actually. Hold tight. There we go. Okay, let's bring that in. Let's bring that in. We needed to get the 0 line. Okay, boom. So now you have actually, oh, that one up here needs some tweaking, I think. Oh shit, where's that at? Wrong one. This one? There we go, that's the one. All right, my bad. It's definitely a little bit glitchy, and you pretty much just have to get rid of all those lines, right? As precise as you can. Boom, okay, cool. So currently it just looks like a weird, distorted, like, kind of maze of stuff, I don't even know, but it definitely doesn't look what it looked before, right? I'll obviously turn that off. Oh, wrong one, boom. It was like that, then it went to 3, and now it is, of course, like this. It looks very different. You can't really tell what's going on. You can see this dude's hand right there, though. Look at that. Oh, shit. Let's watch him get slapped 4 times. Now, this in itself looks like a very cool effect. You can't really tell what's going on. It's very, very distorted, to say the absolute least. But here is basically what we're going to want to get to now. You want to type in the transform effect, right? So, boom, there it is. And this one is actually going to go on the top layer. Yes, now before we jump into this, just go ahead and untick this one here and change shutter angle to 360. That is how you are gonna create the blur. Then you wanna go ahead and just from this middle point, go 6 keyframes to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go ahead and put the scale, right? Boom, on 100. Then go back to the middle and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keyframes to the right now, and put the scale on 300. What 300 will do will zoom directly into just one of those squares, right? The one in the middle. You know how we made this adjustment layer here 3, right? On the replicate, it replicates 3 times. So of course we have to do it 3 times the scale, right? On the transform over here, so that it just goes into 1. And that right there should be our crossfade, or that right there should be our blurry zoom transition. I'm just gonna render that in and out real quick, and let's see what it's looking like. And this is funny as hell. This goes from this dude right here, this little Asian guy in the glasses, right? And it goes to that other dude slapping the guy who is just trying to kiss his girl. He's just trying to get a little New Year's kissing. And I can't believe I didn't even realize that he slapped him on the night until I rewatched the footage. And then it made so much sense, because that guy, after the clip, after I start recording, he turned around and accused me of slapping him, and I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? I didn't slap you, I'm filming. And I didn't even realize, I didn't realize the dude right there slapped him, and I got it all on camera, man. That's amazing. And I thought I'd just tell you that little story, you know what I mean, while this rendering time actually just continues and is being slow as hell. All right, boom. So it's gonna go, and bow, to the dude getting slapped in the face. Look at that right there. Dude just dancing, enjoying himself, bow, slapped in the face. Enjoying himself, slapped in the face. Oh shit, look at that shit. So where's it come in? Comes in there. All right, we're just gonna trim this clip down real quick so we get the full slap. Dancing, enjoying himself, comes in, bow. Oh shit, I need to re-render that. Here we go. Slapped in the face. Jeez, dude, just enjoying his time, slapped in the face. Yo, I could probably watch this forever, I can't even lie. This poor guy. Let's see his reaction when he turns around. He turns around and just looks at me, I'm pretty sure. Look at him. Yo, that could be the thumbnail. Yo, thank you guys for watching the video. Hold tight. Yo, thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Sorry to this dude who just got slapped in the face and I aired him out in this video right here, but hey, oh well, it's gotta happen to somebody, in theory, I guess. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.